How to use to, either, so am I, and neither do I, in English. We use to, and either, at the end of a sentence. We use to, after a positive verb, example. I'm happy.
I'm happy too.
I enjoyed the film.
I enjoyed it too.
Sarah is a doctor. Her father is a doctor too. We use either, after a negative verb. Example.
I'm not happy.
I'm not happy either. I can't drive.
I can't either.
Sammy doesn't watch TV. He doesn't read newspapers either. So am I. Neither do I. So am I equals I am too. So have I equals I have too. Examples.
I'm working.
So am I equals I'm working too.
I was late for work today.
So was Sam.
I work in a bookstore.
So do I.
We went to the cinema last night.
So did we. Neither am I equals I'm not either. Neither can I equals I can't either. Examples.
I'm not happy.
Neither am I.
I haven't got a key.
Neither have I equals I haven't either.
Kate can't cook.
Neither can Tom.
I won't be here tomorrow.
Neither will I.
I never go to the cinema.
Neither do I. Let's practice with more examples.
I'm not hungry.
I'm not hungry either.
I'm going out.
I'm going out too.
It rained on Monday.
It rained on Tuesday too.
Rachel can't drive a car.
She can't ride a bike either.
I don't like shopping.
I don't like shopping either.
Emma's mother is a teacher.
Her father is a teacher too.
I never read newspapers.
Neither do I.
My coffee wasn't hot.
Neither was mine.
I went to bed late last night.
So did I.
I'm thirsty.
So am I.
I've just eaten.
So have I.
I love rainy days.
Me too.
I need a holiday.
So do I.
I'll be late tomorrow.
So will I.
I was very tired this morning.
So was I.
I can't go to the party.
Neither can I.
I didn't phone Alex last night.
Neither did I.
I haven't got any money.
Neither have I.
I'm not going out tomorrow.
Neither am I.
I don't know what to do.
Neither do I.
I'm tired today.
So am I.
I'm learning English.
So am I.
I can ride a bike.
So can I.
I'm not American.
Neither am I. Or I am.
I like cooking.
So do I.
I don't like cold weather.
Neither do I.
I slept well last night.
So did I.
I've never run a marathon.
Neither have I.
I don't use my phone much.
Neither do I.
I'm going out tomorrow evening.
So am I.
I haven't been to Scotland.
Neither have I.
I didn't watch TV last night.
Neither did I.
I go to the cinema a lot.
So do I.
We aren't going to John's party.
Nor are we.
He's never eaten caviar.
I haven't either.
You were late yesterday.
So were the others.
My parents don't smoke.
Mine don't either.
We had pasta for dinner last night.
I had too.
You weren't trying very hard.
Neither were you.
I can't come to class today.
Neither can I.
He'd finished the exam in an hour.
So had we.
I'm a big fan of country music.
So am I.
Maria wasn't studying last night.
Neither was Sally.
We could see everything.
They could too.
The link of all sentences in this video is in the description.